Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving through White House in Westmoreland. Now, as you know, a highway is coming through this area. A highway is going to go from Kingston all the way to Negril. That highway will also have a section going from Montego Bay all the way to Negril. So White House is ideally located between the two cities. So you can go from Kingston to White House, and you can go from Montego Bay to White House via a highway. Now, we're not 100% sure where the exits will be for the highway, but we're sure our exit will be close enough to White House. And because the highway is coming, like you could probably say two highways coming, this area is seeing a lot of development. We're going to show you the White House Beach Club, which is a massive development going on in this area. And as you can see, this area doesn't have a lot of hotels or luxury complexes, but all that is changing because you know what happens when you build a highway. And this area is going to boom re-tourism very soon. Now, the only hotel along here is Sandals South Coast. They didn't call it Sandals White House because there's a Sandals White House in Montego Bay. So this one they call Sandals South Coast. We're going to show you the hotel after we finish with the video, with the beach club. But this area, Westmoreland, very nice beach. The Bluefields area, a very nice beach. A beach that is almost as nice as the 7 Miles Beach in Negril. So with the building of the highway, you're going to see a lot more developments down here. So this is the White House Beach Club. It's a 44-acre development, massive development, 110 units, but not just units. We're talking luxury units, luxury villas, townhouses. Each unit is on a 1/4-acre lot, and it's going to have a private beach, and you can actually access the beach through a private tunnel under the road. And the plan is to turn this area into a resort, so you'll have like some timeshare thing if you want. And it's going to be 5 phases. This is phase 1, and it's going to be built over 5 years, and you're going to have 6 house designs. So there you can see some finished, some under construction. Look at that beach. We're going to come back with the drone. Very nice beach, guys. One of the nicest beaches in Jamaica, and the entire stretch is literally underdeveloped. This is prime real estate to get involved in now. Alright, so this is a beach house, White House Beach Club, and I'm going to show you where the tunnel is going to be. It's actually to the left of where the guardhouse is. It's a gated community. But you really have to love all the progress that's going on in Jamaica. The North Coast is on a different level. It's the South Coast now that needs development. And it's coming. With the highway, it's coming. The highway actually, the section of the highway from Williamsfield to St. Elizabeth, that alignment has actually changed for it to go closer to Treasure Beach along the coast, because you know Treasure Beach is a tourist area in St. Elizabeth. Okay, right here now is where the tunnel would be. Where you saw the sign, you'd go underneath there and go across. And that's the clubhouse for the beach on the left. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. As we drive out, you're going to, on the left, see the entrance to the Sandals South Coast Hotel. Alright guys, have a good day.